Hi guys, DalanaB here, and welcome back to my channel. And we are starting another segment on my channel, which is called Wine Down Wednesdays. As you guys can see, I have my wine here, I have my glass, and I have on my moo-moo. Now, it's the end of the day. I've had a long day. I've worked. I've been a teacher. I've been a cafeteria lady. I had a lot going on today. So now I'm about to wind down. So in today's segment, we are featuring the Stella Rosa Golden Honey Peach Wine. Now you can find this at your Walmart, Target, grocery store, whatever grocery store you have. Did I say Walgreens? Any kind of grocery store that you guys have, you can get it from there. It's about, I think it's like $10, $11 a bottle, but the stuff is good. So what we're gonna do is, we're just gonna drink it. We're gonna pour it in the glass as much as you want, because don't nobody care. That's up to you, whatever you like. I'm just gonna pour the whole glass, because I mean, like I said, it's been a long day. And we just gonna sit here and we're gonna relax and we're gonna drink it. We're gonna enjoy it. You wanna know why? Because that's our business in my Tabitha voice. We can do what we wanna do, because we grown. 21, drinking responsibly. Make sure you're 21 before you get to drinking. So I'm just going to sit, drink my wine that I can't taste, because y'all know I still can't taste for real, for real. If you've been on my channel, you know I can't taste all the way because I had the coronavirus or whatever, but it's you could tell that it's still sweet. So I'm going to take this bottle, this glass of wine, I'm going to take me a nice hot bath, and that's going to be that. So hope you guys enjoyed this little segment here today. And I hope you enjoy your wine. Take this time out to relax. It's all on you to find that time to relax. Don't let nobody make you feel bad for having yourself a glass or bottle of wine per day, if that's what you decide to do. Just don't go out and driving and nothing like that. Don't be making nobody mad. Don't be messing with nobody because you're a crazy drunk. Just drink your little wine, take it in the bath, and go to bed, all right? So, just wanted to bring that little tidbit to y'all. You deserve this here. If you don't drink, get you some juice and put it in this here cup and make it look like you're drinking some wine so you can be fancy in your own house. So, just wanted to bring that little bit of happiness to you guys' life, because it's a hard time we going through. We got a lot going on, and wine and alcohol makes everybody feel so much better. So, I'll see you guys next week for Wine Down Wednesdays, and I'll have another drink for you guys. Maybe wine, maybe alcohol, maybe a cocktail, maybe juice. You never know. Bye, y'all. Happy drinking.